lecture number 6, and we are going to see the point graph of a linear equation in two variables, page number 5. One example is given, that is the draw graph of 2x minus y is equal to 4. Draw a graph of 2x minus y is equal to 4. For this equation we need to draw the graph, and for drawing the graph we need to find out the solution for the x and y in pairs. We need to find out the solutions of x and y in pairs. So let's let's find out the pairs. Here equation, what is our equation that we'll write first? That is 2x minus y is equal to 4. First, if we will take x is equal to 0, I have taken here that x is equal to 0, we'll put the value of 0 into the given equation. It is our given equation, that is a 2x minus y is equal to 4. If I will put the value of x, that is the 0, so what value will get for the y? That is, if 2 into 0, that is 0. Here what is remain now? Minus y is equal to 4, means what? Y is equal to minus 4. Y is equal to minus 4. So what is our first pair? Value of x, what we have taken? 0. And then for y it is minus 4. For y it is minus 4. The first pair is 0 and minus 4. First pair is 0 and minus 4. If we take y is equal to 0, if we take y is equal to 0 and we put the value of y in this equation, what is our equation? Given equation 2x minus y is equal to 4. So 2 into x minus 0 is equal to 4. So what's remain here? 2x is equal to 4, means x is equal to 4 upon 2 and the value of x is 2. So what we get here, if the y is equal to 0, value of x is 2. So our next pair is that 2 and 0. 2 and 0. So we'll write here 2 and 0. So these are the points that we are going to plot on the graph. Our next, if I will take x is equal to 3 and we need to find out the value of y there. If I will put the value of 3 in the given equation, 2 into 3, 6 minus y, and this is 4. So 6 minus y is equal to 4. Minus y is equal to, this 6 go that side. So it will become minus. So 4 minus 6. So minus 2 is equal to minus y is equal to minus 2. So value of y is, both the negative sign will get cancelled and value of y is 2. Value of y is 2. So what is solution here? X is 3 and the value we get of that y, that is 2. So it is 3 and 2. 3 and 2. So I am going to write here 3 and 2. This is our third pair. Then the fourth one, if I will take x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1, then I will put the value of this in the given equation here. X 2 into minus 1 minus y is equal to 4. So 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus y and is equal to 4. So its minus y will be as it is. This minus 2 will go that side, it will become plus. So minus y is equal to 6, means this negative sign will go to that side, and so y will become, the value of y is equal to minus 6. If I will take x is equal to minus 1, the value for y, then it is minus 6. These are the solutions that we have found for the graph, where these are the 4 points that we had found for the plotting the graph of the given equation. Okay, so in the so we'll see how to draw the graph. Now we'll see how to draw the graph. Okay, so you got this point, that how to get this, how to find out the pairs. The equation is given. Sometimes value of x and y are given. We need to find out the value for, if x is given, we need to find out the value for y. If value of y is given, we need to find out the value for x. So, or otherwise we need to take the points by our own and we need to find out the values for that, and to make pairs in such a way that we can get the points to draw the plot on the graph. Okay, are you getting all this? Okay, so we'll go. Now it is our graph table of for the x and y. So we had found it before, and now we'll plot the graph. Before plotting the graph, we will plot the points according to the graph. So first is 0 and minus 4. First is 0 and minus 4. X is 0. X is 0. So x is 0 and y is minus 4. Y is minus 4. So our first point is here, that is 0 and minus 4. That is 0 and minus 4. If given, if x is 0, then we'll get the point on the y-axis. If x is 0, we'll get the point on the y-axis. So here our first point, that is 0 and minus 4. Then 2 and 0. X is 2 and y is 0. X is 2 and y is 0. So it is our second point, that is the 2 and 0. 2 and 0. The next point is x is 3. X is 3 and y is 2. X is 3 and y is 2. So our this point will be here, that is 3 and 2. 3 and 2. So we will find 3 points here. And the last one, minus 1 and minus 6. Minus 1. X is minus 1. X is minus 1 and y minus 6. Y is, this is our y. Y is minus 6. So that point will be here. That point will be here. I will write right here. Minus 1 and minus 6. Minus 1 and minus 6. So we get these 4 points here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now we'll join this all points. We'll join this all points. So they are in a linear. So line is straight here. Line is straight here. Are you getting? This line is straight. This line is straight here. So we had plot the graph according to the pairs of x and y. That is the solution for the given graph. That is the solution for the given equation. That is the 2x minus y is equal to 4. So we had find out first the values